So it was my dad who was the first person who actually noticed it, and he told me about it. And he said, maybe you should go to the doctor and have it checked out. So I didn't pay any attention to it because, I was healthy. I had no health conditions. I was, didn't feel any other symptoms either. And the cough was very mild. And it was intermittent too. So it wasn't like it was persistent or anything. Then a year went by, I had COVID. And that's what took me to the doctor. When I told her, she promptly ordered an x ray. The radiologist recommended that I get a CT scan done. And in the CT scan, they, found a 3.5 centimeter mass on my left lower lobe.